Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today OnePlus is rolling out a new update for their OnePlus 60 users, which is a minor update, and the update size is somewhere around 95 MB, which is Oxygen OS 9.0.6. and here we have few optimizations related to system, communication, third-party application and camera. So who all have not received this update can use the VPN application. I'll put up the link in the description below. Download this VPN application, change the region to Germany, and you should have an update available. And for those who don't want to use VPN services, then you need to wait for few hours to have this update available on your device. So now let's download and install this update. Once the installation process is completed, I'll get back to you guys with the change logs. Complete process will take around 3 to 4 minutes. So now our device is updated to latest Oxygen OS 9.0.6. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about phone, and here you can see Android version is Android 9.0, Oxygen OS version is 9.0.6, wherein security patch is 1st November 2018. Now directly moving on to the change logs. So these are the change logs which are related to system, communication, third-party application and camera. We still have missing features like video enhancer, OnePlus roaming services, which are already available on OnePlus 6 running open betas. And we still don't have any update related to open betas for OnePlus 60. So keeping all those things apart, let's directly take a look at the change logs which are available on Oxygen OS 9.0.6. First one, which is related to system, under which it says optimizations for screen unlock. So I did not notice any kind of improvements, but as per the change logs they have done few optimizations related to screen unlock. Then they have also optimized the standby power consumption. So this feature can be found inside the settings, battery optimization. Tap these three dots, advanced optimization, and make sure you have enabled this feature. So about power consumption, I'll update you guys by tomorrow morning. After using it for a day, I can update you whether there are any improvements with the battery or not. Then later under system they have done few bug fixes and improvement. The second change log is related to communication, which says fix issues with adding APN on version network. So this is only related to version network. After that, third-party applications fix issues with no notification from Play Store. So I have never noticed this issue. So if you guys have noticed about this issue, then do let me know in the comment section below. And the last change logs are related to camera, which says optimized image processing. So here they have done few optimizations related to image processing, but there are no noticeable changes. So guys, these are the complete change logs available with Oxygen OS 9.0.6. And now let's take a look at the benchmark results. With Geekbenchmark, single core scores 2433 and multi-core scores 8946. With AnTuTu benchmark application, device have scored 2,93,877, which is slightly higher than the previous version. So guys, that's all about Oxygen OS 9.0.6, and if you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.